In this guide, you will learn how to fix MLB The Show companion app logging error. Let's get started. This is a common issue, and in this video I will show you exactly how to fix it and why it happens. First, you should check the server status because sometimes the problem is not on your site at all. Just open a browser and search for official server status page, and if the servers are down, you simply need to wait until they are back online before you can log in again. If the servers are working fine, but still you cannot log in, the next step is to check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see which one works better. Next up, clear cache for the app. For that, go to Settings, go to General, click on iPhone Storage, find the app, launch it, click on Upload App, click on Upload App again to confirm it. In the Android device, press and hold on the app, select the option App icon, then select the option Force Stop, then go into Storage and clear the cache to remove any temporary bugs. Lastly, check for app updates. Launch App Store or Play Store, search for the app. After app appears, if you see the option Update, click on it and update the app to its latest version, as outdated versions often cause login errors. And that's it. These are some fixes for MLB The Show companion app logging error. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.